Hello everyone, I'm Frances Vincen-Brown and this is my week 3 entry into the Skin Games Holistic category. Today's session began with lymphatic massage and microcurrent to support circulation, hydration, and fibroblast activation, preparing the skin for optimal absorption and cellular function. Next, I prepped the skin by gently removing surface oils with a pH balanced toner to ensure proper peel penetration. I then applied a 45% Circadia Lactic Acid pill for 10 minutes. This concentration and timing are safe for my model's Fitzpatrick for skin and were chosen to accelerate the desquamation and target senescent or zombie cells, which impair cellular communication. Lactic acid enhances skin turnover and improves texture and brightness. During the peel, I performed a 30-minute MyoCalm CES session to support the nervous system, reduce stress, and lower cortisol, which is important for systemic skin health and cellular rejuvenation. After neutralizing the peel, I applied a multi-weight hyaluronic acid serum with copper ECM peptides to deeply hydrate, stimulate fibroblasts, and support dermal remodeling. I followed with peptide eye cream to protect the delicate under eye area, then applied a finishing oil of radish seed and prickly pear seed oils to reinforce the barrier, lock in hydration, and provide antioxidant support. This layered approach ensures that each step supports cellular health. It reduces the impact of senescence, and it improves overall skin quality, leaving the skin visibly brighter, hydrated, and resilient.